Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online lessons. The other day in one of my classes, a student of mine who at the moment is living in the north of Italy mentioned the fact that her and her partner were thinking of moving to the island of Sardinia. I asked what had prompted this, what made her decide that this might be a good idea, and she said, well, the thing is, you see, up here in the north we only get about 6 months a year of good weather. The rest of the year it's a bit meh, and you know, Sardinia, the weather's going to be much better. Now, I live in London, and on the morning of this particular conversation, it was cold and grey and raining outside. So I responded by saying, only 6 months a year of good weather. Well, greetings from London. Listen, we get about 6 days of good weather every year here, and we call that summer. Don't know they're born, some people. If you say that somebody doesn't know they're born, you basically mean that some people don't appreciate how lucky they are. They don't value the good fortune they've already had in their lives. So you might say, for example, God, some people just do my head in. They complain about how hard their lives are, and then after having a decent meal, they sit down in their nice warm houses for an evening of television. Don't know they're born, some people. Maybe you're talking to someone who starts complaining about how much they earn, and you realise it's a lot more than you earn. So maybe they're telling you, yeah, the problem is at the moment I'm only earning 100,000 a year. 100,000 a year, you reply. Only? Some people don't know they're born, eh? It's also something older people often say about younger people. Oh, young people today don't know they're born. Things were much harder when I was a kid. Kids today, they don't know they're born. They can just do everything with the tap of their phones. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below. We'd love to see your examples of how you might use "Don't Know You're Born."